On Pantaloons Saima 2018, we have a winner with us. I think you were blessed by the best right before you went in. So how does this moment feel? You have the award in your hand. How is it?
Chala happy గా ఉంది. I want to thank all the viewers, all the fans, and all the audience of cinema lovers of Telugu. They really voted me, and I got this. So I really thank them for the votes, whatever they really done for me. And I'm coming with చాలా మంచి సబ్జెక్ట్స్ తో నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ చాలా మంది అడిగారు సోషల్ మీడియాలో లైక్ ఐ వాంట్ టెల్ అక్కడ కూడా చెప్పలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టెల్ దెమ్ సో అక్టోబర్ అనౌన్స్ చేస్తున్నా లైక్ మై నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏది అని సో లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు వర్క్ ఇన్ తెలుగు couple of movies ready ఉన్నాయి so which one to go first I'll let you know all. Thank you.
That's good news for all your fans. I think everybody who is waiting to hear from you. Thank you for choosing this platform to make your announcement. I think for your height and your personality, they should have given you an award that size. But for now, you can manage with this. But I would like to know, do you remember like the first day you went on set and like your first shot, like coming all this way with an award in your hand? Do you remember that memory?
Yeah.
Could you share it?
Very first day it was like a song shoot in the Bangkok at the Puri Jagannath sir. And it was like, very first day, the song, I was romantic. I was like a bit nervous. Like, sir, I feel shy. It's like I'm not comfortable. 2 hours got delayed for that little drizzle was there. So it's like, no, you want to do it. You can't kill time. Like, again, he called to my parents. My Anna called Chesi. Sir, Ishan, shy is not comfortable. And they called me. Why did you choose acting, man? Acting profession is that you want to do. Then Ishan, sir, kuchobatti, like Ishan, it's this song. You want to express. All the story should be there in this song. How much you love the girl should be shown in this song, Anna. So you want to become a very good actor, kada? And cheppavu kada? Yes, sir, Anna. Okay, I'll do it, sir, Anna. Okay, then start. Nowhere stop. Yeah. So I got an award now. So.
Yeah, I mean, that's such a nice thing, right? From being a nervous boy to such a fabulous actor that you got your debut award. And I'm sure being, nominated in Saima itself is such a great feeling. Is there anything that you would like to tell all the fellow nominees who are in the same category as you?
Same. I really want to dedicate this award to all guys who nominated in the jury, whatever. Like, really, వాళ్ళకు కూడా చెల్లుతుంది ఎందుకంటే one they can give, you guys also all the best for coming projects. Do get the best actors, and from my end, congrats. Nevertheless, award ఒక్కరికే వస్తుంది they'll give, but I do share this with all debutants.
So sweet of you. And you were just telling me that when you got nervous for your first shot, they called your parents and they told them about you, right? So right now...
Called my brother actually.
Oh, they called your brother. Okay, so right now I'm sure your brother would be watching you live and he'll be super duper happy that you're getting this award. What would you like to tell your brother? Maybe a thank you. What would you like to share with him?
Thanks is very చాలా తక్కువ అనుకుంటా ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ మీ కిడ్ అంటే మా నాన్న అమ్మ ఎలా చూసుకుంటారు సేమ్ లైక్ ఇట్ ట్రీట్ మీ యాజ్ ఎ సన్. I gives everything what I ask, it just gives more than that. So I can't really say thanks and, I really love him so much. He had a lot of hope in me and faith in me and I hard earnings. I've seen his earnings actually. In school lo unnappudu started earning. No, agriculture is the base, my family actually I'm from an agriculture family. So my dad does an agriculture and my brother also started from there. Floriculture చేసి రోజ్ అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఈస్ గ్రోన్ అప్. ఆయన అర్న్ చేసిన డబ్బులు నా మీద పెట్టాలంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ లైక్ సో మచ్ ఇంకా అది ఎలా చెప్పాలో తెలియదు. సో ఈ లవ్స్ మీ సో మచ్ ఐ కాంట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ దాట్. థ్యాంక్స్ అన్నయ్య లైక్ నో టై టక్ టు యూ అండ్ కిస్ టు యా లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. Plenty more. Yeah.
This is just the beginning. I think many, many, many more to come your way. And I'm sure that for your brother, this will be the biggest gift for all his hard work. Wishing you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much. And quickly, would you like to say bye to your fans before you leave?
Yeah, bye and thanks again who all voted me. And thanks, Saima. It's very special to me and it's very much memorable to me actually. ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ రాదు డెబ్యూటెంట్ యాక్టర్ అనేది వెరీ ఫస్ట్ మూవీకి నాకు వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ థ్యాంక్ సత్యానంద్ సార్ మా గురువు గారు అండ్ ఆల్ మై స్కూల్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు దాకా నాకు ఓవర్ లైక్ taught me, teach me discipline గురించి చాలా మంది చాలా చెప్పారు. That's really made me to achieve అనుకుంటా. So I never give up that. I keep that. So thanks all my school principal teachers who all taught me, educated me, and my physical teacher, PE teacher, and నా పర్సనాలిటీ గురించి చాలా మంది. So I think he's here, he's no more, but still I love him so much. He's in my heart. Thank you, sir, because he just made me get involved in everything sports. I love sports. Volleyball, cricket, throw ball, everything. I played everything. I got a lot of medals. It's all because of my teacher, Govindraj sir. I'd like to mention. So emotional about him.
That's okay. I'm sure wherever he is, he's going to be blessed.
Definitely. He wanted me to see in high. Actually, one day he said, like, I know you're gonna make mark and everything. So, sir, I've achieved. I think you are here. You're watching this. Thank you so much, and love everyone, especially my friends. When I'm in, low, everyone and they same okela undadu. They were with me, and thanks to all my dear friends. And my family members, my sisters, my brothers. I got family of 35 members. We all together today. I really love to and say that మా తాతయ్యకి hats off చెప్పాలి. So he's a basic కదా, pillar, foundation. He thought and మా పెద్దనాన్నకి చెప్పాలి థ్యాంక్స్. ఇన్ని రోజులు ఇలా ఉండాలంటే head of the family, he's the one who's taking care. His emotions, his things. I really love him a lot. And మా డాడీ చాలా చాలా ఎమోషనల్. అండ్ మా అమ్మకి ఇంకొకసారి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తూ లవ్ యూ నాన్న, లవ్ యూ ఆల్. లవ్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ వ్యూవర్స్ హు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ మీ. లవ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much. Wishing you a lot more success in your life. Thank you very much.